Hello everybody, how are we all? This one is going to be nice and simple and hopefully it's going to be delicious. I'm going to be doing a Gordon Ramsay chili, not a chili con carne, just a chili. I'll show you anyway and I'll explain as we go along. Really simple, well according to him it is anyway, really simple, and he had it in some lettuce wraps. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to have, let me find them, some standard stuff. I'm going to have some of them. I haven't had them for absolute years, and I thought, oh yeah, put a bit of chilli in there, and away we go. So let me show you what we got and what we're going to do. Okay, this is everything I've got. It's not going to be one of them chilies like, as I said, like chili con carne with loads of sauces. It's a bit different to that. So you'll see as we go along anyway. I've got some pork mince and some beef mince. Here are 200 grams of each, but I'm going to double that because I'm going to freeze some. That's what I'm going to do. Make it a lot easier then, so I can have it with some rice or something, maybe another day. I've got three spring onions. I've got 2 diced red peppers, and one cut up with the seeds. 2 garlic cloves, a 5cm piece of ginger, bit of lime, bit of oil, bit of olive oil. I'm using basil this time, bit of sesame seed oil, some fish sauce, bit of coriander, and I thought I might stick a bit of them on top. They're not in his ingredients, but I thought, well, I'll stick them on top anyway. So first things first, I want to get the pan heated up. Right, the pan is boiling hot. Just going to get a tablespoon of oil in. Don't need a lot because you're going to get it off the fat, off the beef anyway. Going to open my beef and my pork. Make sure that's all in there. Now basically get all your beef and your pork up and fry it all up. Get the beef in. And you want it all like crispy brown, if you get me. Some salt and pepper to taste. And we'll get it all mashed up and get it all browned off first. As long as it takes. To mix together, incorporate it all into one. That's what we do. Quite looking forward to this one actually. Okay, while that mince is doing, browning up, I'm going to do the sauce. So this is quite simple. One thing I've got to say, soy sauce, you need some soy sauce. So I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, as per instructions. Get it in. 1 of them. Juice of half a lime in. Oops. Just trying to keep an eye on that meat at the same time, that's all. 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. I suppose you could use vegetable oil if you wanted, I suppose, but when you're having vegetable oil in it anyway, but I'm just going to go by the instructions. The chilli with the, it says half, but I'm putting a full one in, with the seeds. 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. 1 teaspoon of light brown sugar. And you want some coriander. Bit of coriander in there. I'm not going to bother chopping it up, I'm just going to put it in. And a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay. And just give it all a mix, and that's the sauce. It's like a drizzle that goes on top. I'll probably put it into a smaller bowl when we have it. Okay, that's that done. Okay, that is done. So it's all crisped up. That's how he says to have it, so I'm going to drain that off. No bother cleaning the pan, he just says give it a wipe, but my pan is quite clean anyway. Now this is the bit, it says a little drop of sesame seed oil. It's a little drop, there you go. Garlic in. Ginger in. Peppers in. Chilies in, I mean. Give it a stir for about 30 seconds. Another little bit of sugar, just to start it off caramelising. Add the mince back in now. There's all the mince. Looking nice, that mince is. If you see his video, and it does look similar, to be honest with you. Now we want 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. So it's going to be dry. It looks very dry, doesn't it? Tablespoon of fish sauce. Zest of a lemon. A lime, I mean. Oops. Not a big fan of lemon and lime, me, but I'll put it in anyway. Juice of a lime. Give that a mix. Spring onions in. And that is your chilli done. So what I mean when I said it's dry, but apparently when it goes with that sauce it's delicious, so I'm going to turn that off. And we're just going to put them in the microwave for 30 seconds, that's all they say. I've just have to open the window. That chilli's getting right in my throat. 30 seconds in the microwave they're going to go in for. Nice and simple. You can do them in the oven. No point me doing them in the oven. So, there we go. That's the mince, the chilli thing. It's very potent, I tell you, with that, all them chillies in there. It's making me cough. It looks nice though, look. It looks really nice actually. There's them, which I've just done in the microwave, 30 seconds. Fill them up. There's your sauce. I've got some jalapenos there, as I said. I don't know whether I'm going to have them because I think that might be a bit too spicy. But hey, let's get up the table and let's have a go. Okay, we're up the table. I think Nat should try it first because she doesn't know what it is. Well, you do sort of, don't you? Do you know what it's like a chilli? It's a Gordon Ramsay chilli.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Right, yeah, so let me show you.
Oh.
There's the sauce. You don't get many, but you don't, with the sauce, you just use the juice and pour it over like that, apparently. Oh, you can't see. Get the juice, you pour it over like that, apparently. I don't know. That's what he done. There's the thing. That looks nice, but it looks very dry, doesn't it? Doesn't it look dry? And there's the things. You crack on first then, Bab.
Okay. Is this really heavy?
Oh, yeah, I'm to pick it over for you.
Yeah,
Let's have a go.
I'm just going to pour a little bit on.
Fill your thing up. Fill your boat up. Yeah, fill your boat. I didn't buy any sour cream. I should have done some sour cream, shouldn't I? I didn't buy any. Because it's going to be too dry, ain't it? I might have to stick some mayo on it. Or some, or cheese. Just the sauce you want on there, sweetheart.
Just the sauce.
You can get some of the juice.
What is it?
I don't know. Some sort of juice thing. It might be, it might melt it. Well, he done it with lettuce, you see. And let me know what you think.
Jesus, dry.
Dry, very dry.
Them are.
Oh, them are. Yeah, he done it with lettuce wraps, you see.
Oh, no. on a minute, Bab.
Okay. Let me have a go.
God, them boats, man.
Them boats are dry.
Oh.
Let me try some. Let's turn, bring it down. So you can
That's
see.
nice. I can speak now.
Is that nice?
That's nice. It just doesn't go
It
with...
just doesn't go with the boats.
They're too dry.
They're too dry for
It
this.
spoils it.
Bit of sour cream, or a bit of cheese.
No.
I bought the lettuce, but I never put it in the bottom. Do you know what I mean? If you get me. Let's try a bit of this.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
It's nice, but oh God, it's
A
dry.
bit of this sauce. Is it spicy?
No.
It's not spicy.
I'm not keen on that sauce, you know.
You're not keen on that sauce?
No.
It's like a fish sauce thing. You don't like fish, do you?
No.
Let me have a go.
It tastes like washing up liquid.
Does it? It smells nice, but it looks dry.
That is really nice. That ruins it. See? Told ya.
Yeah.
It's just like in your mouth. Dries
Yeah.
everything up. See?
It's like glue in my mouth now.
Exactly.
Paste.
And
Hold on.
it ruins it.
Try with a bit of lettuce instead, like Ramsey did. I just bought this lettuce, because I'm supposed to go in the bottom of these boats. I've got one leaf out of the whole lettuce. You believe that? The rest is bad. So I've had to try and grab a few bits, and that's got one leaf. That's it. I don't know what the hell they're doing with these. I'll tell you, with this veg and everything, it's terrible. Let's try it anyway on the lettuce. It's far too dry. Far too dry. Isn't it?
Oh, I have to get the mayo on the dough. Have you done it wrong?
No.
No.
It's look dry.
Excuse me.
The taste is there, isn't it?
It has to go.
But it's just far too dry.
It is very dry. And that's not your fault.
You need some tomato paste, don't you?
You need something. You
Don't
need
you?
something like wet. You need something. I don't even think sticking some tomatoes on or anything's going to make any difference.
No, but you put a tin of tomatoes in there with the juice.
Oh,
Do you know what I mean?
tomatoes.
Wouldn't you?
That's better.
Google it and have a look. Gordon Ramsay's chili beef lettuce wraps. That's what they are. Chili beef lettuce wraps. That's how you cook it. It looks dry, but it's far, far too dry. It needs a sauce, doesn't it? Like that, I might be with a bit of tomato sauce, tin of tomatoes or something, just to bring out the, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Or a little bit of beef stock or something. So it's, yeah. Apart from that, it is nice. I wouldn't make it like that again. Especially with these boat things. You know? Some you win, some you lose, don't you? Rubbishy dinner, because that is nice.
That's like eating shoes, man.
That's, yeah. Do you reckon I should reheat it with some tomatoes in there or something?
I used to try that even more.
Yeah, yeah,
It's dry now, so it's going to be...
yeah. Oh well, we'll make do. I'm going to get that. Because of the dryness, I'm going to get a 5. Because it's far too dry for me, that. I knew it was going to be dry when I cooked it. God, how many times have I said dry in this video? It is, isn't it? Video might be uploaded later by the time I rest.
So here, back to us, trying to eat that dinner.
Oh well, some you win, some you lose.
I'm going to give it 4.5.
You need a 4.5.
I was looking forward to this.
And my yours as well. Flavour's there, but nothing else. Is that?
I don't know what else to say. It's
No,
dry.
mate. Yeah, Google it. Gordon Ramsay's chili, chili lettuce wrap. And that's what it is. I haven't done anything wrong. I've done exactly the same, but never mind. See you later. Bye bye.